Welcome students. Today we'll learn about the partitive view of division. Before we begin the activity on GeoGrabba, we will look at a scenario. Let's say I bring in a cake and that cake has 8 slices. And if we have 4 students in the class, how many slices of cake will they each receive? Our first step is to color code. So student 1 is going to be orange, student 2 is going to be yellow, student 3 is going to be blue, and student 4 will be purple. Our next step, which I've already done, is to cut the cake into 8 equal slices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next step is we want to color each slice. So student 1 will receive this slice. Student 2 will receive this slice. Student 3 will receive this slice. And student 4 will receive this slice. Now we continue coloring the slices of cake until there are no slices left. And we do this because the partitive view of division is also known as sharing, and each person must receive the same amount. So student 1 cannot receive 3 slices if student 2 does not receive 3 slices, and vice versa. So we can see here that student 1 got 2, student 2 got 2, student 3 got 2, and student 4 got 2. That means each student will receive 2 slices of the cake. Now let's move over to GeoGrabba. Now GeoGrabba is a great site to practice your math skills. So you can practice multiplication, you can practice division, and here you can practice partitive view, just like us. So the question we have is, 4 pieces are divided among 3 people. How many pieces does each person receive? So we will start off by again coloring the student. So this person will receive purple, this person will be blue, and this person will be green. Our next step, which I didn't show you how to do, which you'll see how to do, is to divide each pizza into 3 slices. And the reason we're dividing into 3 slices is because there are 3 people. Now on the computer, your lines aren't going to be as pretty. As we can see, my lines are very messy, but we just need to make sure when we do it on paper that it's evenly. Once we are done that, we go just like we did last time and we color each individual slice. So for the first pizza, purple goes there, blue goes here, and green will go here. Now you have to do this for each pizza because it will show you a great visual on how to figure out the partitive view. Now, we will continue this again until each slice is colored. Now we need to make sure that we figure out not how many slices each student gets, but how many pizzas. That's the final answer we want to know. But we first need to figure out how many slices each student receives, but the final, we need to know how many pizzas. So here we can see that this first pizza, we get 1. Each person gets 1, and the same as follows. So person 1 gets 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of pizza. And the great thing about GeoGrabba is you can check your work. So you hit illustration, then you hit step 1, and it breaks it apart just like we did. And then step 2, it colors. So we see purple gets 1 of each. Now what we need to do is we need to write about this to determine. So we have 4 divided by 3. Because there are 4 pizzas and 3 people. The next step is we are going to multiply. So we multiply the number of pizzas by how many slices each person will receive per pizza. So it's 4 times 1 over 3. So 1/3. Now, from our past experience of multiplying, we know how to multiply a whole by a fraction. So it is 4/3. And now the next step is we have to take an improper fraction and turn it into a mixed number. So the mixed number is, so we see 4 over 3, that means there's one whole number because 3 over 3 is 1, and then we take what's left, which is 1/3. So each student will receive 1 and 1/3 of a pizza. And again, we can check our work. So 4 divided by 3, 4 times 1/3, 4 over 3, and a student will receive 1/3 of a pizza. Now, I will send you the link, the code to do the formal assessment. And again, remember to use GeoGrabba to study for your summative assessment. Now we know how to do the partitive view.